Do you have age spots as well? As you're getting older, your appearance starts to change. You get wrinkles, gravity starts to take its toll on certain parts of your body, and dark spots appear on your skin. Those spots are called age spots, or liver spots. They can appear on your face, on your legs, arms, shoulders, hands, anywhere on your body, really. Today's video will discuss, this simple trick can help you reduce age spots on your skin in no time. Age spots are a form of hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation. This is common affliction, in which an overproduction of melanin, a natural pigment inside the skin, causes dark spots, and an uneven complexion. The spots aren't dangerous, although it is important to keep an eye on them. Consult your GP when some spots are getting darker than others. A dark circle appears around one, or more, of the spots. They keep growing or start to get a reddish color. An onion. Did you know, you can use a simple household product to combat these liver spots? You've probably already got the two ingredients in your pantry, an onion, and apple cider vinegar. The juice of an onion helps with reducing your scars. Then there's apple cider vinegar, which helps with removing dead layers of skin. With these two healing ingredients, you can get your skin back to looking fresh very easily. Blend an onion to a pulp. Put the pulp in a cotton cloth, or a sieve, and push the juice out of it. Mix together the juice of the onion with apple cider vinegar, and apply it to the dark spots. Repeat this on a daily basis for a couple of weeks, and you'll notice the spots will start to get lighter. Are you going to try this simple trick? Let me know in the comment section below.